Sol Salt Mat. You can hardly find anything to make you smile. Honey, you have a hard time, don't you? Your body isn't as healthy as it was. Do you know that too? Our family can make a bright smile only because of you. Fatigue which will not easily go away. I wanted to make you who are tired smile. Are you satisfied with my surprise present, Sol Salt Mat? Honey, sleeping is a restorative. Please feel comfortable with the help of Sol Salt Mat, as if you had slept well even when you sleep only for some minutes. Salt, which is called small gold because it is an essential element of life. This salt was born as a mat to keep your bed safe and comfortable. The patented fermented salt by Sol will eliminate your fatigue. Sol Salt Mat is washable anytime, and it is additionally covered with another cover. It is reported that salt, which is as good as it is, gets more powerful by the patented fermentation method. The phytoncide effect you can feel on the mat. You can sleep comfortably as if you slept in the forest thanks to Sol Salt Mat. Honey, have a good night. Sol Salt Mat.